Did you know that selling digital products is one of the best and fastest ways to make money online? The only problem is that creating a new product from scratch is a demanding and time-consuming process. Many people have the vision and the drive, but what they lack are the skills and knowledge it takes to create a new digital product, one that actually makes money. In fact, let me ask you an honest question. Do any of these statements sound familiar? I know I should be selling digital products, but I don't even know where to begin. I have enough trouble just trying to create a freebie to give away to build my email list. I don't have enough authority in my niche to create a digital product that sells. I have tried to create and sell products online, but it never amounted to anything more than a big waste of my time. If this sounds like you, I feel your pain, and trust me, we have all been there before, myself included. However, this is definitely not the time for you to throw in the towel. You're about to discover an easier and more effective way to create better quality digital products in 1/4 of the time. Allow me to introduce you to the PLR Success Blueprint, a step-by-step blueprint for effectively creating highly profitable digital products using high-quality private label rights or PLR content. Whether you're a complete newbie or a skilled online marketer simply looking to make more money online, PLR Success Blueprint will also help you uncover many other ways to powerfully leverage your PLR content. Now, before you go ahead and register, I want to do something extra special for you right now. I'm about to reveal my secret weapon. Last year I made $128K selling digital products, part-time. This year it's your turn. And check this out, I'm going to get you started today by practically giving you my complete digital products library worth close to $10,000. So here's the deal, I'm Willy Wonka and you have the golden ticket. But since this golden ticket could expire anytime, this is your opportunity to get started making money online. Work from home, generate income 24 hours a day, even while you sleep. There is no easier or better way, period.